Hi everyone, it's Katie here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be looking at and reviewing the 61 key bandstand electronic keyboard with microphone. This is gifted, okay, just to let you know, ad gifted and all that. So yeah, we're going to be having a look at it, unboxing, setting it all up and giving you a sneak peek at all the settings and the sound quality and just see how good it is really. This does come from Amazon, so I will pop the buy link below and there will obviously be a full review over on the blog if you want to go and read that, and I'll pop that link below too in the description. So first, let's just unbox it and have a look. It does say that it requires 4 AA batteries and a screwdriver just to open the battery hatch. So I'm just going to undo it. I've not unboxed it or anything at all. Been waiting for you guys. Okay, so it is, okay, you can actually, by the looks of it, there's like a perforated front here. You can actually pop that out if you want to. There's also a handle on top, in case you were wondering, on top of the box. So I'm just going to slide this out. It does quite alarmingly say on the front, no, it does say on the back even, to the consumer, in our pursuit to innovate and create better quality and value, we are constantly updating our products. Consequently, pictures on this package may sometimes vary from the model enclosed. So that worries me just a little bit, but we'll see what it looks like. So I've got like the picture in front of me, so I'm just gonna kind of have a look at what we've got here. So it's nice because it's all cellophane wraps and stuff, which is nice. At least you know that, you know, it looks brand new, it looks unsealed. So I'm just gonna slide it out. I was slightly concerned that there was no microphone, but I've just spotted it. It's actually just fallen out. It slips in and tucks in the back there, which is quite nice. It's got its little lead and everything. And also, which is really handy, which I did not know, they've included a mains lead, which is USB point. So if you've got a USB plug or USB socket, if you've got a newer house maybe, then you can actually mains charge it, so you won't need batteries. And the mains point and charger is on the top there, and that's next to the microphone, and that also just slips in the back there along with the microphone, which does have a clip. There is a clip, but it doesn't stay in. So yeah, that's that. But there is, I don't know why, but a little screw fell out, and it fell out with the microphone. So I don't know if, I can't see, it doesn't look like the microphone's missing one. I can't actually, it doesn't look like there are any screws missing from the back either. So yeah, don't know where the little extra screw came from, but we'll keep it just to have a look. So I could try and put the microphone back in, but it's not going to do it. So yeah, there is battery compartment there, which I'm going to do in a minute. And then I'm just having a look at the front and comparing it to the box, and it does actually look really similar. So obviously this is a kid's electronic keyboard. It is really lightweight. Like, I wouldn't believe that this could actually make sound. I've obviously used real keyboards in the past and things, and this isn't, this feels really light. I don't know, I was just trying to see what age it says it's suitable for. But it doesn't say on the box anyway. Oh yeah, okay, this toy is not intended for children under 3 years of age. Yeah, I mean, obviously it's meant to be slightly better. The keys are really tiny, but they do press quite easily. So as you can see, we've got speakers on either side. It does say that you can do memory record, so that's quite interesting. What features does it say on the box? It says 61 keys, obviously, hence it being 61 key bandstand. 6 demo songs, oh gosh, demo songs. 16 tones, 10 rhythms, 8 percussions to learn, don't know what that is, sound effects, record program, chord fill-in, volume tempo, and microphone. Microphone is here. just so you can see, little microphone like that. Does have quite a short lead. It's not very, I suppose it's all right, but if you're plugged in there, yeah, I mean, you'd have to be right, you can't move far away from the keyboard at all. So just looking at the front, I'm just gonna reference the box so that you can look and I can look. Yeah, so you've got some of the percussions up here, demos up here, something called, yeah, let's see what the demos are called. Radiant, For Whom, Sunny Forever, Flower Drum Dance, Go Home Often, and Step by Step. Whew. And then we've got power button. Now this is a sticker. I don't think anything's going to light up there, so I don't know. 16 tones, including like harp, horn, oboe, so the instruments. And then rhythms like disco, dance, funk, and bass. Rhythm combination, speed, volume. Oh, there's a lesson that you can follow apparently. Start and stop, chord, demo, fill in, play, record, program. So yeah, so I think the best thing to do now really is to get the batteries in and let's give it a play. So I did not bring a screwdriver with me, so we're now going to skip ahead to when I've already put the batteries in. See you in a second. Okay, so the batteries are in. Just a quick note, it does come with some instructions. Now you may look at them and think that you won't be able to understand any of it because it does look like it's in either Chinese or Japanese. But if you look very carefully under each one, there is actually, I don't know if that's a good, no, that's not a good side to show you. Hang on, let's go this way. If you look at underneath, there is actually like there is actually English as well. So it tells you how to use each bit. Okay, but it's a keyboard. I'm just checking sound quality and things like that. So I'm not going to actually bother reading the instructions for now, unless I run into a problem. And so I'm just gonna switch this bad boy on and have a go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch to over the top mode so you can see what I'm doing. I have got the microphone plugged in as well, and we'll just have a look and see how it goes. So let's switch views. Okay, so you're going to have to bear with me because I am holding this. I'm going to be like filming one-handed and playing one-handed. So here we go. It's all set up and everything. Got the microphone plugged in. So yeah, so basically you've got power button here, so we're just going to switch that on. As I thought, this is just like a sticker. I don't know if you meant, I don't think you meant to peel it off. I think I'm just guessing it's just there for kind of decoration. So let's just give you a tour around the board quickly. So you've got all of the demos up there, records, there's a stop button, lesson to follow, tone drum, drum combination, speed, volume and rhythm, and then up here you've got your tones, etc. And then speaker and speaker. So it's turned on, so should we hit some keys? So actually doesn't sound too bad. I will tell you that there is only sound coming out of one side at the moment. Now I don't know if that's because something else comes out this side, like if you're playing a demo maybe. So let's try a demo. No, apparently not. Apparently only one speaker works, which I don't know if that's meant to be, but yeah, never mind. I mean, it's loud, as you can tell. It's very the demos are very twangy. Just gonna see if I can turn it. Okay, just to let you know, the volume control's pretty good. So let's see how loud it actually goes. Sorry about this. I think actually that's as loud as it goes. So yeah, let's see. So that's that. Now, how do we, let's have a look. How do we change the tones? Oh, here we go. So you got, so I'm guessing that we're in piano at the moment. So if I click on that, that changes to harp, organ, bell, jazz guitar apparently. Apparently that's a violin. That's string one, guitar, trumpet. I don't know about you, but they sound fairly the same. Let's try. Oh, some of them. Yeah. Yeah, I've just put it back on piano. To me, they just kind of sound quite similar. So if you're wanting it for different sounds, I'm just going to turn it down slightly. Then I wouldn't necessarily go for different sounds. Nice. I do like the drum combination. So you've got the different drum sounds. What's fill in? That's probably just a fill in on when you're playing. Oh, apparently there is an applause button. So let's, I don't know if it's this one. No. Yeah, I'm not sure what how you get applause. But I want applause. Yeah, so got tone drum here. Yeah, and then these are all your rhythms over here. So that's disco apparently. Dance. Funk. Apparently that's ballad. Jazz. Bossa Nova. Cha-cha. Waltz. March. And polka. Again, yeah, not too many differences, I do have to say, in all of that. So, and still only one speaker working. Right, so let's have a look at the microphone. So, as you can see, little holes in the top there. Nothing moves, and there's no buttons or anything. So once you plug it in, it is on. So let's have a listen. Hello? 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 Ah, so the microphone works, in case you hadn't noticed. But as before, there is sound only coming out of one side of the keyboard. Let's put that back down there. Yeah, so microphone works. It's not like hugely loud, but let's put a demo on and see if we can be heard over the top of it. If I find the demo button again. There it is. Hello, hello, hello. So yeah, so you can be heard over the top. So let's just... Yeah. Do you know what? This, you know, it is a kiddie's keyboard. That's what it is. It's got 61 notes. Apparently it can record. So let's find the record button. Extra points if you can remember what that was or sing it. That's a very silly one that I learned like many years ago. So we've done that. So and then Guess play that again and then play. Oh man, maybe I did that wrong. Let's try again. Right. Ah, that's interesting. So do you know what? I'm actually going to go and get the instructions and just have a look. Program record. So press record, enter record mode and press the keyboard to record. Press play to play the recorded music. Okay, so let's try again. Right, so stop everything. Or actually, I'm going to switch off and switch on again. Okay, so hit record. God, don't I sound good? Yeah, so it does work. You press record and then you don't press anything else. You just press play and it plays it straight away. So I'm just going to actually have a look at the instructions and see if there's any more. So to learn, apparently you can press follow or ocon learning button to enter the learning mode. Press the white key to start playing and press stop to stop learning. So press follow and then press a white key. Yeah. So basically, I think it plays. So let's try ocon. Yeah, so I'm not really sure what learn mode's supposed to do because it's not really teaching me anything. It's just making a buttload of noise. So, yeah. I'm going to see actually if I can find how to get the applause and stuff up. Because that doesn't seem overly obvious to me. So let's just have a look. Power, volume, tone. Yeah, I just rhythm, chord, drum group, sound effect. Oh, sound effects. It has a sound effects. Press sound effect. Go into and switch the sound effects. So, can anyone see the sound effect button? Because I sure as hell can't. Okay. Well. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Sound effects button, number 12 on the picture, apparently. So 1, 2. Oh, sound effects. Okay, here. I see. So. Oh, okay. Try pressing that and then this. No. No, that doesn't work at all. 14 is the program button. So, I actually can't personally work out how to get the sound effect. Press sound effect, go into it and switch the sound effects. That's just really random. So if I press program once, it doesn't do anything. If I press program again, that just doesn't make a noise. So I'm not exactly sure how to get that to work at all in the slightest. So don't be getting this relying on the sound effects. So yeah, let's just do an overall on this. So overall, do you know, it's a kid's keyboard. That's what it is. It's a kiddie's keyboard. If you've got a young child, from 3+, they say, if you've got a young child from like sort of 3 to maybe 6 or 7, and they've asked for a keyboard, and and it is just to mess about on. It's not for lessons or to necessarily learn how to use a keyboard or anything, or if they like doing little shows themselves and things, and you could get a little mic stand or something, then it's it's a great idea. It is really clangy, but you know, the volume does work. But yeah, I think it's okay. I think it's okay. Let's just switch around again. Yeah, I think it's okay. It's okay. It does what it says on the box, kind of, because I can't work out how to get into the program settings. Personally, I don't think that the tones or the instruments really change. I think the rhythms all sound kind of the same, and they don't, like, ballad was really like heavy, like beaty, so that's not a ballad at all. But yeah, do you know what? For a little keyboard for kids, it's not that bad. If it's suitable for 3+, then that's what it is. I don't know if 2 speakers are supposed to work or not, but they don't. Only the right hand speaker works. So yeah, so that's where it is. If you want to have a look at it and check it out, then it is, I'm going to pop the Amazon link below so you can go and have a look. And then I'll pop the full review over on the blog as well. So thanks so much for tuning in and listening to me waffle on once again and watching the demo. And don't forget, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.